you ever wonder where you're gonna grow older alongside with your kids? Let me tell you, Oak Tree is the place calm and the perfect place for you and your family. Let me show it to you guys. Hello guys, this is Fabio Alvarez, your favorite real estate agent here in South Broward. Today we're gonna take a look at the Stellar Model, okay? Just under 2,500 square feet, awesome place to live. Let's take a look. Hello guys, welcome to the Stellar Model. Okay, this beautiful 3 bedrooms, 3 to 4 bathrooms, 2 to 3 car garages, 2,483 square feet. The Stellar design is a true entertainment domain with a vast gathering room at the center of the home. Just off a gathering, find an exposed kitchen with a walk-in pantry and a defined cafe area. The secondary bedrooms remain on opposite ends of the owner's suite, allowing for plenty of privacy between the rooms. I love the space, love the kitchen. Enjoy guys. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. Alright, I hope you guys like the tour. I hope you guys like all this video. If you guys have any questions about this community or any other community here in South Broward, please don't forget to reach out to me, okay? Just subscribe, hit that subscribe button guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video, okay?